Hey friends, Merry early Christmas. Welcome to the Christmas Clean and Decorate 2024. I ended up breaking this video into two parts because I lost some Christmas decorations. I know, that sucks, but I was really happy that I found it because I thought we left it at the old house, so I'm glad we found it. It was in the garage, so I'll do a part 2 later. I'm super happy to be getting this done finally. This living room was definitely in need of love because of the dogs. But I was sad because we did pull out the Christmas tree a couple days prior, and this is kind of what happened to it. We couldn't get the middle lights to work, and I gotta be honest, I'm just really lazy when it comes to the Christmas trees, so I'm gonna go out and try to find an extra set of lights to put on here because I also need lights for my mini pencil trees on the side of the hutch. So I'll have to leave that for the second part. Hopefully I can find some sort of lights that match. It's literally the nemesis of having a Christmas tree, right, where it's like the lights go out. They worked perfectly last year, but for whatever reason it's just not working. When I do pull up the second tree though, if that one is working, I'm probably going to bring that one upstairs since you do see it when you first walk in, and I'll put this one probably in the family room area. But I was bummed. It did steal some of my Christmas spirit when my tree wasn't working all the way. But it's fine. I was like, we're still gonna have a good Christmas and we're gonna push through this because that's really not what it's about anyway. I also didn't want to spend any additional money if I didn't have to, so I'm sad that I have to go out and even buy extra lights because I just wanted to give everyone a good Christmas this year. And then on top of that, I bought myself some things for Christmas this year, so instead of getting extra decorations this year, I decided to get a new crock pot and a toaster. I went out to Walmart and I got that beautiful brand. I got the white one. I'll show it in the next one because we're going to cook some stuff. But I ended up getting those, and then I did score my carpet cleaner on Black Friday, so I'm excited to use that too. But I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get into jamming out and cleaning and decorating. Moving on to decorate the hutch in here, I definitely knew I wanted to put some cute little Christmas things in here. But I didn't want to overdo it. So of course I headed to Dollar Tree and I found some really cute things. The sizing was really great since it's harder to find larger things at Dollar Tree. It's easier though now with, the $5 spot, but I put some stuff in there and then I just kind of filled it in with other goodies I already had, like my dishes. And then one thing that I ended up doing was putting like cookie baking accessories in there, like cookie cutters and measuring spoons and towels and stuff, just to kind of set it up like a little treats area. Now, I was sad about this part because I couldn't find all my pillow covers, but I did find these 3. So I had 2 green and I had 1 red one. I also found an old Christmas pillow, but it's kind of beat up, so I just decided not to even use it. I always say it's just really hard to have throw pillows with dogs, and it does create extra mess because they always end up on the floor, but they are super cozy to snuggle up with when you're watching TV. I absolutely love my colored lights too. They bring everything together when we change the lights at night. It's a total vibe. This is going to look so cute once I get the lights on the pencil trees, so I can't wait for that. Now moving on into the kitchen, we're going to decorate behind the sink and get all this cleaned up. I'm going to quickly note here that a lot of this mess is from everything I just recently grabbed from the living room. I had to move it into the kitchen to get it cleaned up out of there. And then now I'm kind of putting everything where it goes. I've been doing really well with my morning routine. Each morning I've been taking care of the dishes and trying to wipe down the counters and give the kitchen a quick vacuum. The kitchen floor is getting hard to keep clean because the dog's paws are like getting muddy and soggy from being outside in like the snow and rain. But other than that, it's been staying pretty functional in here for the most part, and I'm really proud of that. So I'm still working on everything, but I'm perfecting that morning routine. I'm getting in that workout, and it definitely feels really, really good to try to keep this space cleaned up. Definitely goes hand in hand with wanting to see the cute stuff out, but then also, you know, having things ready when it's time to do what needs done, like making lunch, making dinner, breakfast, and, you know, all that. And actually, you know, wanting to eat something good for you that's quick. Just because there's no real barriers in the way to prepare something versus just grabbing some quick junk food. While we're on the topic of cleaning up and trying to stay on task with our tasks, has your elf done anything crazy lately? One of our elves arrived, and oh man, the biggest mess we've had so far is she actually opened up the dog treats and she was feeding them to her little elf babies. And I was like super shocked because there was sugar out, and I was like, whoa, what are you doing? Those are not actual cookies for you guys. Those are dog treats. I don't know what the situation was there, but it was cute nonetheless. But I was sad that, you know, some of the treats got wasted. Okay, everything's super cute. I liked how it turned out with what I had. I definitely need to go out to the store and pick up a couple more things just because I didn't have enough for this house. I need like a tablecloth and some extra lights because I want to do a fancy table setting. So yeah, I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to come back for part 2. I'll see you next time. Bye.